Simple steps to overwinter your herbs. Welcome to Gardening with Ben. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to overwinter your herbs in your garden. I haven't got many herbs growing in my garden. I've got some mint and I've got some lemon balm. The lemon balm is absolutely fantastic. If you're not growing lemon balm, make sure you grow it because it's great in cups of tea, and yeah, it just calms you down. It's absolutely gorgeous. I have it in hot water, not a cup of tea. I have it in hot water, so it's absolutely great, and it's calming and it's relaxing, and it's a great herb. It comes back year after year, and it's fantastic smelling as well. You can rub past it, rub your fingers on it. It smells absolutely gorgeous. So the main things to overwinter your herbs are bring tender herbs like basil indoors. Now, if you're growing it in the ground, obviously you need to dig it up, put it in a pot, move it into a polytunnel or greenhouse, and look after it over winter. If not, just plant a new plant next year. You can easily get them from the supermarket or the garden centre and replant them, or even grow them from seed if you want to. So move your basil or any tender herbs indoors. Cut back any perennial herbs and tidy them up. That is one thing that you need to do. At this time of year, they're dying back, so snip them all back, take them home, dry them out, use them in your herb cupboards, and yeah, enjoy the herbs that you have got. And then next year they'll spring back to life and give you some fantastic herbs in the garden again the year after. It's a great thing to have herbs in the garden. I'm definitely going to have a herb garden in my plot. I haven't got much herb garden at the moment, but we're going to do one at the top of my plot in my new area, so I'm looking forward to trying all the different herbs myself. I probably won't use them in foods, but I'll just use them to attract the bees, to have the nice smells, and yeah, have it as a calming, relaxing area. Mulch your hardy herbs for extra protection. If you've got hardy herbs, put some mulch around them. It'll keep the ground warmer and it will protect them a lot more stronger over the winter periods, especially in cold times. Keep pots off cold, wet ground. If you've got wet, cold ground, make sure you put them on bricks or on plant pot lifters so that they're not touching the cold ground. It keeps them that extra bit warm. And if you've got terracotta pots, maybe put some bubble wrap around them as well. It'll stop them cracking or freezing if there's water in them, and it will again keep the plant warmer over the winter period. Water sparingly, avoid soggy roots. You don't want soggy roots over the winter. Obviously you can't help it if it rains, but don't tend to water them as much over the autumn and winter period. Take cuttings to grow fresh plants. If you're growing your herbs, why not take some cuttings from them? You can't beat free plants, so they're so easy to do. Like, just take cuttings off them, put them in some water, wait for them to start rooting, and then put them in some soil, and you can possibly have more and more plants next year in your garden, or give them away to friends and family so that they can benefit and enjoy them as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben.